Okay, here, count and finger dab beside the caterpillar. So what is the number here? This is
1.
And this is the caterpillar's head. So you will finger dab here once. 1. Okay. Which color are you going to use?
Light green.
Yes. So let's do it. Now, count the number on the flower and dab leaves on its stem with your finger. Okay, we'll dab here. Okay, baby? With dark green colors, we'll dab here. So, what is this?
1.
1. So, we'll dab only one leaf. One
1
leaf.
leaf.
And ekhane, how many leaf? 1.
1 2
2 leaf. Wow.
Two.
This looks so complete.
Look.
Next is fingerprint carrots by reading the numbers on top of it. So I have drawn soil and leaves on top of the soil. The number is 3, so he will be dabbing it thrice. 1, 2, 3. The number is 5, so he'll be dabbing it 5 times. So this is how he'll dab it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I've made another same circle on a piece of paper. I've painted it yellow and I've drawn some circular reds. These are, imaginary tomatoes. So this is kind of pizza for my son. So I will ask him to see the numbers here and he will count the tomatoes here. Like this is 1, so he will count 1 tomato here and he's going to paste it here. He's going to use the glue stick. So let's get it done. Okay, so baby, these are pizza pieces. What are these pizza pieces? Okay.
1.
What is this?
1.
1. Where is the pizza piece with 1 tomato? 1 piece of tomato. Yes. Apply glue. Take apply glue on 1. Did you apply? Apply. Okay, done. Take the pizza piece with 1 piece of tomato. Here. There. And paste it properly. Yes. Nice. You're making pizza. Okay, now which is the next number?
6.
6. So, take the pizza piece with 6 number of tomatoes. First of all, apply glue.
6.
Apply glue.
6.
In this activity, I have drawn randomly some trees, 4 trees, and I have written these numbers out here. Okay, so and I've also cut these mangoes out of a yellow A4 size paper. You can just cut any fruit in any shape.
Mom.
I'll tell my child to count the numbers written on the trees and paste fruits on them. Like here it's 4, so he will just paste 4 mangoes. 4, 1, 2, 3, and
4.
4. Yes, he'll paste it. Let's do it. Here in this activity, I will ask him to dab dots on the dice as per the number given on the left. So this is just a rough square. I'll tell him it's a dice, so he has that kind of perception that it is a dice. So if the number is 2, he will dab. He'll take paint on his fingertip and he'll dab here twice. 1, 2. And if it's 3, it'll be
1, 2, 3.
And if it is 6, it'll be
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And so on. If the number is 2, how many times will you dab?
1 dab.
2 dab.
2 dab.
Hold it. Do it.
1, 2.
Yes. What's the next one? For number 3, dab it.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, you have to.
3.
You have taken paint, right? Do it again.
1, 2, 3.
For the next activity, I have drawn this aeroplane on any randomly available cardboard. Next, I have written numbers from 1 to 10 and I have separated them by drawing lines. I will be cutting along these lines and ask him to solve this puzzle. Baba, solve it according to the numbers.
1.
Okay. And then?
2.
2. Next?
3.
3. Nine.
9.
And then
10.
10. So what is this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And what is this? What is the picture?
Airplane.
Aeroplane, yes. Here I've written the numbers and that many number of dots alongside, and I'll be cutting along these lines, these black lines. It's a kind of number puzzle for him, and he will just have to find the dots and numbers and match it and solve. Solve the puzzle, baby. Where is 1 dot? Where is number 1?
1. Oh, sure.
Where's number 1? There. Where's 1 dot?
Oh, 1.
Yes. Keep it here. Keep here. 1. Where is 2 dots? Where are the 2 dots, Papa?
Oh, 2 dot.
Did you get it? Yes. Keep it here. Or you arrange as per your taste.
Yeah.
Yes, keep it properly. Yes, fix it. The dots will be on the right. Yes.
Oh, 5.
Is this 5? How many dots are here?
1 dots. 1 dots. 1, 2, 2 dots. 1, 2, 3, 3 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5
5
dots,
dots.
yes. Now I have written these numbers in some easily available cardboards with I got this from a packaged food, so I have just written it on the flip side, on the other side. So I'll place these numbers here. 1,
4,
5, 7,
7,
9. I have taken these macaronis available easily at home. You can either take soya beans or rajma seeds, or you can also take pom-poms. That will also do. But it's better we take things that will require washing before eating, okay? Because we'll be fidgeting with these and it'll touch these places. So it's better we take those things that are washable. This is a good activity. It helps counting skills, and it also improves their muscle strength. What number is this?
1.
1. So take 1 macaroni. Just take 1. Pick 1 and place it here. Yes, 1 macaroni.
1 macaroni.
Which number is this?
5.
5. Take 5.
One.
Give me. Okay, you keep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Now place it here. You won't count again. 5 macaronis. Wow. Now which number? In this one, I'll be using the same cards, the number cards that I used in the previous activity, and I will be telling him to clip, like it's 7, so he'll be clipping 7 clips on it.
Yes, something bad.
Okay, baby, so do it. Take a number.
7.
7. Hold it and clip 7. How many clips? 1 clip.
1. 2.
It'll take time because the grip is not as strong as ours. So we have to be very patient. We cannot lose our tolerance.
4.
They cannot be as perfect as we are.
5. 6. 7.
Wow. And definitely when I've made these cards with the numbers here and left space out here, this is for him to fill in with colors. So by the time the activity is over, he would definitely love to fill it with colors. This is exciting for him. So let him fill it. If you think my videos are helpful and my contents are informative, then please do like it and also hit the bell icon for more such videos. I would also like to hear from you, so please do comment.
Six away, my 5 away, 4 away, my baby,